Ingredients: hot chocolate mix, milk or water, marshmallows, whipped topping. Supplies: mug, spoon, measuring cup. Wash your hands.
Hello there! Today we are making hot chocolate. Our supplies will be hot chocolate mix, milk, or you could use tap water. And for on top of our hot chocolate, we have marshmallows, or you could put whipped cream. But today we're using marshmallows. We'll also need a mug, a measuring cup for the water or milk, a spoon, and of course a napkin. Let's get started. First step, we're going to measure 1 cup of water. Perfect. I'm going to pour it into my cup, or my mug. Looks like a mug. A mug, a cup, who knows? Then I'm going to microwave for 1 minute. Start. All right, it is time. Carefully take out your hot water. Get out a packet of hot chocolate mix. Open the packet. Pour in. Ooh. Oh, it smells so chocolatey. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Now, our hot chocolate comes with mini marshmallows. I'm so excited I couldn't say marshmallows. But I want more marshmallows. I'm gonna take my topping, add this to the top. Oh, I love hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. I'm gonna stir it some more. Oh, it smells so chocolate. Now, one of my friends, whose name starts with C, loves hot chocolate. This is for you. Again, I wish you had smell-o-vision. You can smell the chocolate. It's really hot, so I'm gonna blow on it. Now it's time to enjoy. So good, so good, so good.
Wash your dishes. Put food back in the pantry. Let's review. How many hot chocolate packets did he use? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. The correct answer is 1. What can you use instead of water? A, juice, B, milk, C, tea. The correct answer is milk. How much water did he use? A, 2 cups, B, 1 cup, C, 1 teaspoon. The correct answer is 1 cup. What did he use to stir? A spoon, B, a fork, C, a knife. The correct answer is a spoon. What toppings can you use? More than one answer. A. Salt. B. Marshmallows. C. Whipped topping. The correct answer is marshmallows and whipped topping. Visual recipe and data sheet below.